Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Edna Mode on Dress to Impress. Please don't mind the back because I'm just trying to make her bob more rounded, I guess. More bobby, Yana. I don't know what I'm saying. I just remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is the hair. Grab this hair in black, no adjustments made. Grab this hair in in only bangs in black. Position the Y 0.35, Z 0.81. Rotate the X to 0.97 and scale it to 1. You do need VIP for this. Grab this, color it black. Grab this, color it black. And then grab these bangs, color that black. Position the Y 0.24, Z 0.89 and scale it to a 1. Grab these glasses and color the first two frames black. Position the Z to 0.48 and scale it down to 0.39. Grab this top over here and color it. I think I did light. Did I do silk or light silk? Or did I do? I think I did metallic in this color. And then I did metallic in this color, CD4848. Grab this armor and color it that same dark gray as well. Then I am going to grab this skirt in this color in metallic as well. And then we're going to get this skirt in the skirt only without sleeves. Color that same color. I'm just going to make it a little bit brighter, just a tad bit. Then I'm also going to grab this outfit here in that same like color in metallic. And then I'm just going to get these stockings in that gray color. She wears flat shoes, but I'm just going to use the heels here in black in metallic. I think I'm just going to add the red bottoms actually for this to make it more iconic. I don't know. But that is how you can recreate Edna Mode on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.